Hey everyone, welcome to the MDM Minute. So recently a couple of emails have gone out from the MDM team centered around the quantum consultant or Eden Ari. And I just felt like I needed to share a little bit about my personal experience with her. Eden is the closest thing to an angel in human form on many different levels. Now, I worked with her 4 or 5 years ago, 5 years ago, right around the time when I was getting ready and the idea was forming in my head for the first physical product. And back then I had undergone a pretty lengthy training with her, vastly more expensive than what she charges today. And the results are still unfolding. And what do I mean by that is once you are connected to Eden, you never disconnect from her. You're always connected on many levels. And the energy and the work that she does continuously flows forever. And, you know, she's now offering a package and a free gift that at the price point that she's offering it, when I saw it, I was like, oh man, that's a pretty good price compared to the training that I had undergone years ago. So Eden is amazing on every level, and she will deliver to you exactly what you need when you need it, no questions asked, again and again and again. So take some time, click on the link below the video, check out our free gift, see if you resonate with it. And if you do, I personally highly recommend that you jump on board before this offer is gone because she's simply amazing. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.